I'm giving away this limited edition golden skein by DMC. Hey there, this is Sarah with the Notorious Needle, and I want to empower you to break the rules of conventional cross stitch and make whatever you want. Here you'll find tips, tutorials, and some rude patterns to stitch. I have two important announcements today. Of course, you already know about the giveaway, but I'll get to that in just 1 second. First, I'd like to announce that the Notorious Needle is releasing a new collection of cross stitch patterns called Political Therapy. Vote, stitch, and stay sane with the Political Therapy cross stitch collection. When we can't let our kids watch the President of the United States give a speech because he drops more F-bombs than we do in 5 o'clock rush hour, you know it's bad. It's launching March 3rd, which is also Super Tuesday, which also happens to be the day that I'll be announcing the winner of the golden giveaway. One lucky winner will get this limited edition golden skein by DMC. I was fortunate enough to receive one as a gift a while back, and I did an unboxing video, and I'll put the link down below so you can watch that if you like. So the golden skein collector's box contains one individually numbered 8-meter golden skein, a certificate of authenticity. Each certificate is numbered. Yours will be a different number than mine. A 24-page bound book narrating the legendary story of one of the major French textile companies, which still produces textiles in the same factory in Mulhouse. The booklet is in English and French, and the collection comes with a translation in other languages. You also receive an embossed to from card should you choose to give this to another. I'm using Rafflecopter to manage all the rules and entries. All you need to do is go to notoriousneedle.com/golden giveaway and fill out the entry form in the Rafflecopter widget. The winner will be announced via the email address in the entry form, so I'll need a good email. But don't worry, I never spam. Your email entered there will be used only for this contest. The winner has 48 hours to claim their prize, or I'll have to draw a new winner. For a full list of terms and conditions, you can click on the link next to the widget at notoriousneedle.com/golden giveaway. This giveaway is for the 48 contiguous United States. Sorry, Alaska and Hawaii, but I need to make sure that this collector's edition golden skein makes it to the recipient in good condition. Entrants must be 18 years or older to participate. This contest ends at midnight on Sunday, March 1st, 2020, and the winner will be announced on March 3rd. The winner will also be displayed inside the Rafflecopter widget at notoriousneedle.com/golden giveaway, so be sure to check back. And good luck!